Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding below a key area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, which is also acting as a resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.2125 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that we first picked in this 1-2 setup, and after seeing our 1-2 setup, we started this other 1-2 setup where we have now picked in this wave 1, and we have now been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And you can see that on the charts, we have managed to get into the minimum retracement areas for this second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is the area between the $0.288 mark and the $0.2635 mark. And it is within this blue target area that I've been expecting to see the low for the second wave. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have fully maximized this target area, and there are high chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of this target area and start an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of a wave 3, which is the move that we expect after seeing a retracement in the second wave, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3, since there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.4 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do, before we can expect a bit of a pullback in a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5. We also need to have in mind that maybe later in the day we might see a bit of volatility in the market, and that might maybe resort to a bit of a breakdown on the charts. And in case such a move plays out, then we can expect further breakdown within this blue target area, expecting Fantom to continue holding within the blue target area. And as long as we continue holding within this blue target area, then soon we can expect our reaction to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, and a break below this blue target area. And maybe in case we continue seeing further breakdown, then that will be suggesting a more bearish scenario here on the Fantom chart. And if I zoom out on the charts to also give you my long-term point of view here on the Fantom chart, still basing it on the Elliot structures, and that is better seen here on the 4-hour chart. So jumping to the 4-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our November lows, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side obeying the Elliot structures, where we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that the low for the second wave is now in, and Fantom is now ready for that massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to get enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is in and the start of an impulse has now started, we first need to see Fantom give us a complete 5-wave structure, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a movement and also a break above significant highs, then that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of that massive bounce in that wave 3 has now started. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 34 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.